Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we have our stewed chicken crockpot recipe, everybody. Okay, pull out your crockpots. It's summertime. Let's keep the kitchen cool. Let's get busy. Somebody said that our food looked like slop. Let's see what you think. Now, we're going to move our bird over here. Now that he's clean, or she's clean, we're going to put her on into our vegetables, into the crockpot over here, everybody, okay? Now, we're going to squeeze it on down there. Now, we're going to flavor it on up. Okay, here we go. We're going to add our total seasoning all over the chicken, everybody. All the way to the feet, the legs, the thighs, the wings, and the top part up here too as well, okay? We don't want to be skimpy with it because it's going to be adding the flavor to your chicken, everybody, okay? Now we're going to add, I want to say that we cut off the little tail there. We don't like no little behinds in our little dishes from chickens, okay? We cut that part off. Now we're adding our onion powder all over the chicken. Be very nicely generous with it because it's all about the flavor, everybody, okay? Now we're going to add some garlic salt. Not that much because we already added a lot of total on there, okay? We're going to add some garlic salt as well. Sorry about that. Here we go. All right, now we're going to add a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt because we want this to be flavor up in here. Now we're going to add some pepper, okay? We're going to add pepper for this baby right here. All right, now we're going to do the inside of the cavity as well. Season that is good up in there too, everybody, because that's the part that's going to be draining into your crock pot, everybody, okay? So we're going to pour seasoning down up in here, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it over and do the same thing, okay? All right, so we did the back. Here's what the back looks like. You see little garlic chunks on here because I forgot to say we already did add in the garlic into the vegetables. But look at that. Now you make sure you get under the armpits as well, everybody. Make sure you season underneath there because when we under our armpits we wear deodorant, right? So we got to season it with some deodorant seasoning, okay, everybody? All right, so now everything's looking good. We're going to go ahead and rub this chicken really nice. We're going to give it a nice little massage, make him all ready for the nice little cooking here. And we are all good, okay? Now, we did the cavity as well. It's all seasoned up in there. And we're going to add a little bit of the vegetables up to the side because we want him to rest very low as possible because these vegetables are going to be so delicious and marinated and all that good stuff. And he's ready to go, everybody. Look at that. This is the bird right here that we have now seasoned up and ready to go. See you guys in 4 hours on high. You know, grandmother, people are so funny talking about it look like slop or it look nasty like garbage or something you feed to the dogs. I mean, people just that don't have nothing else better to do. Move on. Here we go, everybody. It's been 5 hours, not 4 hours. We added on another hour. And the chicken was not brown, okay? Now, what we did was we took the chicken out on the 5th hour and put it into the oven under 400 degrees for 25 minutes uncovered, everybody, okay? Then we put the chicken back into the crock pot. Turn the crock pot off because the vegetables are already done to perfection. But now what we're doing is we've been basting it, okay? We're going to keep on basting it, add some more of the succulent juices on there. And everything tastes delicious. I actually tasted a couple of pieces myself. And this is really good. It's really nice. So I just wanted to share that with you. This is how we do our crock pot whole chicken and vegetables, everybody. Okay? Now, if you like what you see, make sure you guys follow us on our YouTube channel because we have a lot more that's coming soon. And we also like to thank Scott Jen 64 for following us and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Granny's Yellow Table. Thank you for following us, and we appreciate everybody who has. Thank you for the support. We love you.